Hey, Max is my name. Welcome to my channel. Yep. Yes, today we are going to look at two websites that you can use to make money by simply copying and pasting content to create articles, okay, written articles, blog articles, okay, and then you're paid money. Okay, you can earn anything between 100 to 2,000 or 3,000 depending on how much work you're willing to invest in. Okay, so be sure to stay with me up to the end. Show you the different techniques that you can use. Actually show you a technique on how you can write articles, blog articles, very fast, and also where you can get article ideas. Okay, they're very simple tricks. I'll show you at the end how you can write 1,000 word articles, or 2,000, or even 10,000 in a very short time. Okay, now the first resource we are going to look at is called TextBroker. Okay, TextBroker is a site that creates content for many businesses. I know very many individuals that use this site, but this site is very limited to the people that can participate is only the tier 1 countries. That's USA, New Zealand, Canada, Britain, and the really cream countries, and Australia. Okay, those are the countries that are allowed to participate on this particular forum. Okay, now if you're in those areas, okay, be sure to check out this website, sign up, and try to make money writing those articles. Okay, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Every week I drop how you can make money online. Okay, some of it's little money, some of it huge money, but as always, I always tell you that in my description the very first link, okay, shows you takes you to my most recommended program on how you can make multiple sources of income that grows exponentially. Okay, so now let's just explore this website and see how it works and what it's all about. Okay, the site is called textbroker.com. okay, now you can see the services they offer. Okay, self-services are price and category, well, self-services, how to buy articles. Okay, that's if you go to buy articles. Now these are the terms and conditions and everything, but what I want to interest you is for you who go to write the articles, what happens in this case. Let's just look at the payment. Okay, let's just look at how much you're capable of earning on this site right here. Okay, now with the TextBroker, of course they pay according to experience and level and quality and your rating. Okay, they pay if you're just a beginner, you've just begun out, you have probably 2 stars review, they give you about 0.7 cents per word. Okay, so now you can easily calculate what you're able to earn in when you're writing an article. Same the case here 1 cent, here 1.4 cents per word. That's of course if you're at 3 stars, and if you're at 5 star you get 0.5 cents a word. Okay, let's just go down here. There's something I want to interest you with. So now they have something they call a word calculator. Okay, assume your level, okay, that's now too much, let's just reduce. Assume you're a 3-star quality writer, yeah, and you create an article that has just a moment, oh, I think it's frozen. Okay, it is. And assume you're a 3-star level quality writer, and you create an article of let's say about yeah, about, let's say, 6,000, let's say, yeah, about 2,800 words, you'll be able to get $28 for that particular article. All right, so let's assume you're a 5-star writer. You're very good and you're a 5-star writer. Okay, for an article of about 2,000 words or even 7,000, you can earn $600. That's quite a substantial amount. Okay, so now that's it, guys. For this one, you just come register. Yeah, it's only supports tier 1 countries, so most of the world won't be able to participate in it. So but what I know, they always insist on quality. They produce very quality work on this platform. Okay, it has very good reviews for many people who want to make money writing articles. Okay, they only pay you those that are published usually. So now let's go to another resource. The other site is called moneypantry.com. Now on this article, you can see they are giving you 101 sites that can pay you $50 to even $3,000 per blog post. Okay, now guys, I'm not going to go into this one very much, because I want to show you the technique of actually executing and creating the blog posts. Okay, but just to show you, there are so many sites here: vacation, travel, general interest, short stories, humor, education, fiction, money, parenting, kids and teens, do it yourself, home improvements. Guys, it is a lot. Okay, here is the detail of $150 per post. That's transition travel. $1 to $20 per post. Great Escape Publishing, 50 to 200 per post. Now this one up to 700 per post. Okay, $1 per word. Wow. So man, yes, guys, just come to this site, moneypantry.com, check it out. You can always check out all these websites and open them up and see, and you sign up and make some money. So now, where do you get these article ideas? Okay, where can you be able to get these article ideas? Do you just guess them, or because remember they are paying you per article? Okay, so now there's a technique I want to show you, okay, which basically is quite interesting. You go to Quora.com. okay, you go to Quora.com. Here questions are asked and then answers are given. Let's say we go to a place like web marketing. Okay, let's just click on web marketing and just pick a question. All right, now what you're supposed to do is when you come to Quora and you want to generate ideas of articles, yeah, the first thing you do is look for a question that is being asked. Okay, and then you study the answers that have been given by different people on the different from different people. Yeah? Okay, the answers that have been provided. Yeah, let's just get one simple one. I wish I get one that has multiple answers. Okay, just okay, let's just go with these 3 answers. Okay, what are the top affiliate marketing trends in 2019? Okay, now if you click on the question, you go to see the answers. Okay, now I'm focusing on recurring commission in 2019, and each affiliate marketing industry gets more competitive all the time. This is because SEO traffic gets harder and harder to achieve. So now this is the question. Okay, now this is one answer. That is that's an answer. Let's see if the others are there. That's answer number 1. I think that's another answer, and the third answer. So now what you do is you come and take this question, yeah, you can either take it as it is, or better still, rephrase it into something nice. Okay, now you study also these answers that have been given, yeah, and then reward them in something that that is more, addressing the article heading, and then you just create the solution to that question. Okay, now simply that. Okay, now for you to be able to write those articles very fast, let me just show you a technique that you can use to produce those articles very, very fast. Yeah, alternatively, what you can do, you can just read this article, yeah, and then Google Docs will help you. So we're here in Google, okay, just click blank new document. Okay, it's opening up. So now guys, what you do, you get that you just get that information from Quora. Okay, you can either read it and Google Docs will type for you very fast, or in case you're starting it from scratch, you just speak into the mic, or and then Google will just simply help you write the article. So what you do, just open a new document, come to is it format tools? Just come to tools and go to voice typing. Okay, it's of course in English. Yeah, so what you do, just click on it and then start saying what you want to say. Okay, let's just test it right now. Hi, how are you? How affiliate marketers can get good ideas from Quora.com. So as you can see guys, this is quite very simple to do. Yeah, all you have to do is okay, guys, that's it. Okay, that's it. Of course there will be errors in this because of speech. Our dialect are very different every single time. Okay, so now what you do is, after you verbalize the article into the Google Docs, it's going to write it for you. You just get it, clean it up, punctuate it properly, and then you can go ahead and submit that article for payment. Yeah, if it's printed, definitely you get paid. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I want you to give me a like, say hello to me. Yeah, say something, tell me you get it, tell me you've understood the technique and you'll use it. Just click the bell, and as usual, remember to click the resource that will guide you how to earn multiple streams of income on autopilot. Yeah, that increases exponentially. Okay guys, see you in the next video, and click the like button.